All right, it's time to remove my favorite makeup. This is the hardest part of the makeup application process. There's the application and then the removal. Gotta remove my earrings first because this is gonna get a little messy, baby. I also feel that we should get a little bit more comfortable. Let me change real quick. Okay, I'm comfortable now. I even let my hair out. Let's begin this makeup. Let's begin this makeup removal. Step 1, remove the beautiful rhinestones. This is very tedious. Be very patient. One side done, other side now has to go. It has been done. Now grab your eye makeup remover. I used Clinique rinse off eye makeup remover and a cotton pad. Shake, shake. Make sure you just leave the cotton pad or the cotton ball placed on your eye for about 15 to 30 seconds before wiping it outwards gently. It helps break down the eye makeup that you're wearing and it prevents friction and premature wrinkles. I did apply a lot of glue on my eyelid, so I might have to repeat the step several times. But if I had just used eyeshadow, then it would be easy. I will repeat the same on the other side. I'm going to be removing this with the following product in the following step. You'll see. I have created a very intricate makeup look, so I had to use a lot of glue. So it is what it is. I also use the remainder of the product to remove my lipstick. I use a Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. And this is the magic potion here, babe. Literally hit the bottom of the jar. Rub the product, warm it up, and then apply it on your face. Oop, got into my headband. And it will start to break down all of the remaining makeup. So this is what is the double cleansing type of deal that's going on that you see on the internet. You first use a eye makeup remover, then you go into a cleansing balm, following with a facial cleansing lotion or foaming wash, whatever you use for your skin type. As you can see, it is breaking down the waterproof eyelash glue. After repeating that step about 6 times, I was able to remove the glue. I still have some remaining, but what I'm doing is using the balm and just with my ring finger, with gentle pressure, just massaging it into those areas, and it's breaking down the glue. And the pink sheen that you see on my eye is not irritation, it's the pigment of the eyeshadow that I was using. I was using pure pigments, so this will go away by tomorrow. Don't be worried. I'm okay. I'm using that same cotton pad that I reapplied the Clinique rinse off eye makeup remover and using it to remove the balm off my face. I'm now going to use the Clinique face wash. This is the foaming facial soap. It's very gentle. That way I can remove whatever makeup is remaining. Now I take the Clinique serum. This is the Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Serum, and I've seen really great results with this product. I take 2 pumps. That's enough for the face and the neck. I'll apply it on the face and the neck. Make sure you cover everything entirely. Ooh, yes. Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Cream. A little bit goes a long way with this product. I've really seen a drastic difference in my skin appearance since I've been using this product line since December. My skin looks brighter and fresh. Smart Clinical Repair Eye Cream. And again, a little bit goes a long way. Apply it on the ring fingers, the most delicate fingers that we have, and dab it around the eye area and on the eyelid. Then I'm going to get a face roller and utilize it. This increases circulation in the face, and that means that the products will be massaged deeper into the skin, so they'll work even better. To complete that step, I get my Skin Gem Wrinkle LED Mask. I turn it on and I leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you guys for watching and have an amazing day.